These notes are on using your graphing calculator to find the minimum or maximum of a quadratic. Remember, when we're talking about the minimum or maximum of a quadratic, we're actually talking about the vertex, and specifically the y-coordinate of the vertex, the highest or lowest, so the most biggest y or the smallest y that is on your parabola. So let's go to our calculators. You graph whatever parabola you're trying to graph. So let's say x squared minus 6x plus 12. Graph it. And my window here is a little off, and my window here is a little off. So let's see if I go to window, actually go to zoom, and we'll go to standard. See if that gives me a slightly better picture. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now what I'm trying to find is I'm trying to find the lowest or the highest point. For this parabola, it's the lowest point, so it's the minimum. So like many other functions that I've done with the calculator, when I'm trying to find something on the graph, I'm trying to calculate something. So I press second trace, meaning calculate, and I'm given this list of 7 options. The options 3 and 4 are the min or the maximum, and in this case, because my parabola is upward facing, I'm looking at a minimum value, so I press 3. And then it asks me 3 questions in a row. It asks me first, where's the left side of the graph? So I want to make sure that I essentially end up telling the calculator to look between 2 places, where the left side is my left finger and the right side is the pen. So the left bound is the left side. And now my cursor is on the left side of that minimum, that extreme, so I press enter. It then says right bound, so now I need to go to the right side of that extreme. Press enter. And then it asks me if I want to guess. Don't care to guess, so I press enter again, and there's my minimum. The calculator here is telling me that my minimum is at 2.999999, which in this case means that, calculators being what they are, computers being what they are, that we can call that 3. So my vertex is at 3, 3, but my minimum is 3. It's a minimum of 3. And again, remember, that is because my minimum value is going to be my y value.